Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Dan. I'm sitting out in the vegetable market waiting for my wife. I thought I'd show you a knife. This is a Cold Steel AK-47. I got it from my brother-in-law around last Christmas when they visited. He said he didn't like it. I like it. It's a big, heavy knife. I gotta take off that belt clip. I can't stand that, but I don't know. When I look at it, it's kind of crude looking, but it's an expensive knife. Dusty. Cold Steel. It's a nice feeling knife. I don't know. It's got S35BN steel, made in Taiwan. Belt clip. Pretty good knife. It's got the lock in the back rather than the liner lock. I like that a lot. Steel stiff though. I don't know. What do you think of that one? It's priced way out of my range. It's well over $100. But most of the knives now are. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Take care.